There are a lot of pickles in my channel. At least 15 to 20 kinds of pickles are there in my channel. Today, I'm showing you a very simple lemon pickle. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. This recipe yield 1 liter, a little bit plus. We need 1 kg of nice bright lemon. Place a pot of water, bring to boil, add the lemon. Make sure the lemon is covered with water. Always roll it. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium-low heat. Strain it, remove all the water from the lemon. Cut it and remove any seeds and cut into small pieces. Add 7 tablespoons of salt. Mix well and set it aside. Onto a pot, 1 cup of gingerly oil, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. Mustard must be fried. 150 grams of sliced garlic, 100 grams of fine chopped ginger, 6 pieces of sliced green chilies and few curry leaves. 3 pieces of dry red chili and saute until light golden in color. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of asafoetida. Give a quick mix. Make sure the temperature is very low. Cook for 15 to 30 seconds. The spices are getting cooked. Add half cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, use regular sugar, 1 teaspoon. Combine well. Spices are cooked. Oil on the top. Turn off the flame. Add the lemon. Combine well. Make sure each lemon are coated with the beautiful sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. Mix well and let it cool down. You can see oil on the top. Transfer to a dry container. Always use clean and dry spoon when you are getting pickle. And make sure there will be little bit of oil on the top to keep the shelf life more and more. Consume after 4 to 5 days. The lemon pickle we just made. If you taste it now, it will be salty, it will be lot of sugar will be there. The flavors are not infused in it. So keep it for 3 to 4 days. It will be a perfect lemon pickle for you. So bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.